Hi everybody, welcome to my video. I'm just showing you the nails that I soaked off and we are about to get right into this video of my birthday nails. Let's get started. So we are about to get started on my nails. I have already buffed, did my cuticle area and all that good stuff, and I actually already have on a clear layer of hard gel. This is the hard gel I have on. The IBD iconic, okay, hard gel. So right now I am going to go in with a peel off base coat by Jello. If you have not heard of this brand already, it is really good, and it comes with the 1 kilo remover. It is a Korean brand and it is really good at removing gels. The reason why I'm going in with this because I like to change my styles up probably every week or 2 weeks. So I want to make sure I'm able to save them to look back on. So this is actually one I did in Florida, and I took those off and saved them, and I was able to do that because I had off the peel off base coat. So I'm gonna put this on all my nails and cure it, and I'll be right back with the application of the tips that I showed you, the Gel X tips by Aprez. I don't even know how to say that name, but these are the Gel X tips, and I will be back and show you guys how I put them on. I have applied peel off base gel to all my nails. Now I'm gonna go in with my From the Nail Give Me Base gel. It is really good. I'll be trying out something new in the future also. I'm just waiting for it to come in because I ordered it. But for today we're gonna do From the Nail base gel, but in the future you'll see me use something different. So we're gonna go in with this. It's a really good base gel and it's really thick. I have already etched inside my tips. I hear with these tips you really don't have to do that. You don't have to buff the inside, but I wanted to, and I went ahead and did that. And also today I will be using my pin cure lamp. I'll link it down below. I forgot what brand it is. I think it's this brand, the Saviland lamp. And I'll link. I use these are my primer and dehydrator. I love this brand also. So I think this is their lamp. I think the primer and dehydrator came with the lamp. I'm not really sure. Don't quote me on that. So all I do is, let me see if I can get close so you can see. I'm gonna take this, the Give Me Base Gel, and I'm gonna put it right in here. I like to go all the way to the sidewalls. Most people just put a little bit in the middle and call it a day, and squish it down, but I find that it's very difficult when I do that, especially trying to get it all the way to the edges and the free wall. So I just do that, and then I put a little bit more in the middle because my nails are flat. They don't really have an apex. So now I'm going to see if I can get you to see this. Move this out the way. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my light. I'm going to put my nail on up top. I'm push down. I'm not going all the way to the cuticle. I'm going to fill that in with base gel, and I'm going to hold it really hard and cure it. Just like that. I don't go all the way to the cuticle. I'm gonna go in with base gel and put base gel on the cuticle area. I find that not going all the way down to the cuticle makes the Gel X last longer. You can, however, go down all the way to the cuticle. You just have to go over it a little bit with a file to thin out that cuticle area, because I know these are soft tips or supposed to be soft tips, but these are kind of thick in my opinion compared to the soft tips I've actually had before. But yeah, this is cute. Let me show you how far I am away from the cuticle. So quite a bit. You can probably in the other ones I will go down a little bit further, but this is how far I am away. Show you, this is how far I am away. So I'm gonna go in with but give me base gel after I file this down some, because like I said, these are kind of thick, and like I don't know, I'm gonna file it down a little bit and then go over with give me base gel, and it's gonna look like I never even was away from the cuticle. But I'm gonna go and do that to all 10 nails, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and filed off all the excess that I have, like gel that might have came off on the sidewalls. I left one just so you can see what I was doing, but it's real simple. You just go in and go like this. Just getting the excess off, and this is a little bit over, so I'm filing it a little bit down, and yeah, and fixing the shape back. Yep, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna go in and go around all the cuticle area. Like I said earlier, a lot of people, you don't have to do this. I personally like to do this, but you don't have to. You can just go in with base gel or a thick top gel to cover it up. You really don't have to file it down, but I like to file it down, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this because this is all I have on me right now. So I'm gonna go in, and the drill I am gonna be using is my Mani Pro Koopa in Rose Gold. I've had this for probably like 6 years now. So yeah, and it hasn't failed me yet. So we're gonna go in with that. At a low speed, I don't need it high. And it is in the forward direction. It is not reverse. I am sorry if this gets blurry, but I'm just simply going in and blending that in. Like so. Like that. And then I'm just gonna do the whole nail. Okay, so my camera had died, but I am done filling in my nails, filing, and all that stuff, and putting the top coat on and the coat under my nails. So it is time to get into decorating. My theme for these nails would be like birthday nails, because it's July and it is my birthday month. So I want like sophisticated looking type nails. So the theme I'm kind of going for is like the white golds with black, you know what I'm saying, like the white classy type nails. So yes, there is going to be some Frenchies in here. I haven't did a French nail in forever. So yeah, let's get right into the nail art. This is what I have so far. I have the two with the, in my swatch video, I swatched this color. It is this brand, and it is in the color 0573. It is iridescent. I'm gonna put it blinged out on these two nails. This is gonna have like you know, stuff going around the edge. That's why I didn't really go into detail on the French. And these two nails are all this milky white color by Goya. It's 1482. It's my favorite, absolute favorite milky white color. I think it's the perfect milky white. I didn't want like super white, so I wanted like an off-white, so this was perfect. So I went in with these two colors. These are my two base colors, and I am going to go in with some gems by Goya or Marquette from Amazon. And I have some of these from Goya, these stones, going in with these stones, and I have big stones you'll see in the video when I put these on. Oh, excuse me, sorry, I'm super tired, y'all. It's super late. But yeah, so I am fin to do my nails. I'm not really going to be talking through it. I will, however, at the bottom have words so you can see what I'm doing. And just a heads up, sorry if it gets blurry. I'm going to try my best to stay in frame. But let's start on this art. And like I said, I will put down below what I'm doing on my set. So there we go. Let's start. Honestly, I thought I was recording this whole time. The camera's been on and I realized that it didn't have the red dot. Oh my god. So I'm gonna just go in and show you what I did because yeah, I thought it was recording. So we're gonna start off with the first nail. I think it recorded this. Let me zoom so you can see. It is a diamond chain going across with some micro beads and a Chanel sticker on the middle finger. It is just some charms on the side, just blinged out with the Chanel sticker right here. This is the same. On this part, it has the ice stones, the iridescent looking ice stone, and I just put Chanel sticker on top of that. This is the diamond chain, and it's just got, you know, little crystals. On the pinky, it is just a Chanel sticker with a flower, and that's all I did on the pinky. And on the thumb, I added this vintage frame and a bow. Everything that you see will be linked down in the description box below. This is what I did on this hand, and these came out, I think, so pretty. I haven't even put top coat on yet. But yes, this is my hands. Of course, I'm gonna go and do the other hand. But this is the look. I'm finna put top coat on and I will come back and show you the final look. I can't believe it was recording, but it's just straightforward. Just the gel stuff I used was the gummy gel by Nail Couture. I don't know if you recorded that, but it's by Nail Couture gummy jelly, and that's what I used to adhere the stones down. For the big pieces, I went in with Kiss Power Flex Precision Nail Glue because it has the tip to get like precision point. So I use that for this, and of course I'm gonna go over it with top coat. And the top coat I'm going to be using is the Korean brand top coat, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in just a second. So the top coat I will be using today is this one, Resin 99. It is the fast version. It's by Izumi. I will link this down in the description box below. But this is the top coat I will be using. The viscosity one is at 4. They have different ones. But yes, this is the one I will be using. It is super thick. It is a super thick top coat. And I like using this on top of large, like the diamond chain and the small stones and stuff, and these type things to keep it in place. And I'm gonna go over all the nails with, not all of it, but without, y'all, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna go over this with my stuff, and I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, this is the nails with the top coat on. I think they turned out fantastic. They look so pretty, and I love them for my birthday nails. I really hope you guys like the video. If you have, give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want to see a more in-depth video on how I do my nail care routine, put any emoji down below in the description box, and I will do that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything is listed in the description, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.